More.
I don't know that song.
You're good. You're a big girl. Come on, you schoolmates. Come out and play with me. And we'll sing our friend. A jolly friend. Oh, come on, you schoolboys, and play with Polly Bear. And we'll do goody bear. La 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 la. Can you sing it? Can you sing it better?
What is that?
Grandma! I can't hardly sing it right anymore. Now what are you going? Where's your bear? Where's your bear? What does your bear say? Moo. You're looking for a bear in there. You can't find him. Where do you want to go home?
Yeah, it's too bad I couldn't come around and I could have got yellow.
She did. She scared me. She shouldn't do that.
Yeah, if you would have been partners.
Bye-o-bye, bye-o-bye.
Could have had her own.
Rock-a-bye, baby.
3 and the 1 now.
On the treetop,
Mom,
when the clouds dream, and 3 bullets a day. Rock-a-bye, baby. On the treetop, when the clouds dream, the little birds fall. Oh, now you can sing. What did the cat say? Can you
That's
read
probably
it?
5 points you weren't going to go anywhere else.
I don't know if I can see it a little closer.
So now
We
we're at
came to see AC. Come on. Oh, I guess I better you tell your mama to read it.
Can you
Oh, this would be fun.
sing it?
Yeah, let's sing a song. Sing. Come on, sing. No. You don't have to sing. Here, you didn't have to. Oh my. Oh, somebody's holding you. Somebody wants to hold you. Yes, it's all right.